Jared Bridegan's ex-wife just appeared in court in Washington State today.
Yeah, yesterday we told you when Shanna Gardner was charged with first-degree murder in connection with Bridegan's February 2022 murder. Today we learned that she is fighting her return to Florida. Action News Jack's Annette Gutierrez has more.
From a technical federal standpoint, she is an unlawful flight to avoid prosecution.
Law and safety expert Dale Carson has decades of experience as an FBI agent. After Shanna Gardner's initial appearance, he says the next step involves getting her extradited to Florida,
where the federal government and the state of Florida have to prove that that's the woman connected with the indictment.
Federal ATF agents arrested Shanna Gardner in Washington yesterday. She appeared in court today, more than an hour and a half after her scheduled time. She is being held without bond. Since she did not waive her extradition, she is delaying her return to Florida. Now, there will be a separate hearing in September to hash out her return here. The state attorney's office released her indictment yesterday, stating the 4 charges in connection with her ex-husband, Jared Bridegan's murder. They include first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit murder. It states she's been plotting this crime since 2015.
From very, very early on, everything in my soul and body told me that she was behind it.
She is the 3rd person to be arrested in this homicide. In February of 2022, Jared was dropping off his twins at Gardner's home in Jacks Beach when he stopped for a tire in the road and was later shot and killed. His 2-year-old was in the back seat. In an exclusive interview with Action News Jax in July of last year, Gardner denied any involvement in Jared's murder.
No, I did not have anything to do with his murder. Even though we didn't always get along, he was still the father of my kids.
And prosecutors are seeking the death penalty. For local coverage you can count on, reporting in downtown Jacksonville, Annette Gutierrez, Action News Jax.
Her review hearing is set in Washington for September 14th at 11:30 our time. The Gardner family released a statement following the arrest. It reads in part, quote, "Words cannot accurately express the depth of our sadness. Family is our top priority. We love our daughter and are focused on supporting her and our entire family as we help our grandchildren navigate this difficult and very confusing time."
Now, the second person arrested in this case, Mario Fernandez Saldana, was taken into custody in Orlando on March 16th. Prosecutors say he is Shanna Gardner's estranged husband and that he hired his former tenant to kill Jared Bridegan. He also faces the death penalty. His next court date is set for September 12th. Now, that tenant I just mentioned is 62-year-old Henry Tenen, and he was arrested in January, about 11 months after the murder of Jared Bridegan. In March, he turned evidence over to the state with the guarantee that the state will not seek the death penalty against him. He still faces 15 years to life in prison. He's due in court again in October. For continuing coverage, go to actionnewsjax.com, and you can watch our exclusive interview from 2022 with Shanna Gardner Fernandez, where she denied any involvement with her ex-husband's murder. You can also look into the child custody battle between Jared Bridegan and Shanna, and you can see how Bridegan's widow has made it her mission to help police comfort children impacted by crime.